Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are good. I am Tipu from here. I am also good, and today we are going to do an interesting experiment. And today we're gonna make a LoRa gateway and a LoRa sensor node. Okay, so this experiment will be simple. A LoRa sensor node which connected with the DHT11 sensor, so it will get the temperature and humidity, and then it sends the data to a LoRa gateway. So this act as a gateway, and then our LoRa gateway publish the data to MQTT broker and a dashboard which will develop with Python Flask, and this dashboard will show updated data with the RSS value. Okay, so this is the simple. So we're gonna use RYLR998 LoRa module, and you already know this is the second video of this series, and we already complete the first setup video. So if you new in this video, then please watch the first video how to set up the circuit. Okay, so we will use the same circuit diagram as before, but this time we will add a DHT11 sensor with our sensor node, and the gateway node is exactly same. So I will put this two circuit diagram in the screen, so you can just follow the screen, or you can download the circuit diagram from the GitHub. I put the GitHub link also, and I have put the buying link so in the description, so you can buy it. Let's go to the circuit, physical circuit. So these two are the physical devices. I already made the circuit exactly same as the diagram, and this one is act as a LoRa gateway, and this one is act as a LoRa sensor node. Okay, so this is DHT11 sensor which collect the temperature and humidity data, and this is the LoRa module, and this is also the LoRa module. So in this experiment, this act as a sender, only transmit the data, and this LoRa gateway module act as a receiver. Okay, so it's just receive this data, and this one, it will be connected with the Wi-Fi network, and then it will connect with the internet, and then it will connect with our MQTT broker and publish this data, this DHT11 temperature and humidity data with the signal strength, and then we will make a backend code so we can visualize the data in a dashboard. So I use Python Flask here, Python Flask framework, so it will be very easy to integrate. I will show you everything, so if you follow my instruction, you can easily integrate this. Okay, so let's upload the code in the sensor node. Okay, so this is the sensor node. Okay, so this is the USB cable, and connect it. And okay, so I will put this link in the description, put the code link in the description, and this is the transmitter code, and it will be very easy. You already know this is the local address. Local address means this device's address, and destination address is the gateway address. You can see, I will comment it out, and network ID is 5. Okay, this network ID should be both devices are same. Okay, and this one is the pin definition, RX pin, TX pin, and LoRa serial will be 2, and this one is exactly same as the first video. And in the loop we will read the temperature, DHT humidity, DHT temperature, and then we'll make it a JSON format. The payload will be JSON, temperature and humidity, very simple, and we will publish the data. Okay, so let's upload the code. Okay, done uploading, and you can see it's already transmitting the temperature and humidity value, and this is node A transmitter. So this board is act as a transmitter, so this one I will put this one in a separate power. Okay, so separate power, so I will keep it, and I will upload this. I will upload the gateway code right now. Okay, so I will keep it as power, so it will publish the data, okay, continuously. And this one is the gateway, and I will connect this. Okay, so this is the gateway code, and you already know this code is exactly same as the same code. We need to change something. This is SSD password and this is SSD password of your Wi-Fi credential, and the MQTT server is MQTT.IoTBhai.io. This is a public broker, you can use it, or if you don't want to use a public broker, then you can use your own broker. Okay, and the topic. Okay, one thing is I need to tell you, because this is a public broker, so if you use this topic name, then there are so many user can use the same topic name. Okay, so I will suggest make this topic change. Okay, so make it like your name or your name, so make it unique. What I'm telling is make it unique, so it will not conflict with others. And this is the Wi-Fi client, PubSub client, you already know this, and you can see this is the local address. Okay, local address is 2. I tell you this is the local address, this is 2, and we just received this data, so here is no destination address. Okay, and this is the same, exactly same, and here what I'm showing is this is the reading incoming data. We will read the data and we will parse and publish the data. So in the parse and publish function, you can see we will first decode our raw payload, and we will decode the RSSI value, and then we will publish the final payload. Okay, so this is the final payload, JSON data. So this is the JSON data and this is the RSS value. Okay, and we will publish with this publish topic, and we will set up the Wi-Fi and we will connect MQTT. Okay, so I hope you will understand this. I will put this code link in the description, so you can easily download all the code I am using in this experiment. Okay, let's select the tools. This is COM8 and let's upload the code. Okay, open the serial monitor and our Wi-Fi is connected, and we are waiting for a message, a LoRa message, and you can see our field sensor is we're receiving the data from our field sensor. This is ID 1 and publishing temperature is 30.6 and humidity is 69.0 and RSS in 48. This is very good and excellent signal because we are in the same room. Okay, so our hardware level coding is done, so we are finally successfully getting the data from one sensor node and our LoRa gateway, and it also publish the data in our MQTT broker. Okay, so now we will make our web dashboard. Okay, so if you go to the dashboard, okay, so this is our GitHub file, GitHub link, and you can see this is node A transmitter, this is node B gateway, and there is a folder is web dashboard. Okay, so you have to go to the web dashboard, and there is templates and app.py. I will describe this. So this one is the folder and web dashboard folder, and this is the templates and app.py. Okay, you don't need to change in the template flash the dashboard.html. This is the HTML file, so it is, you don't need to change this. And if you open the app.py, you will find the Flask code. Okay, so if you use MQTT.IoTBhai.io, the public broker, then it's remain the same, but your topic it's also should be remain same. Okay, if you change the broker, then you have to change both side in the device gateway code and in the Python Flask code. Okay, so this one and port will be the same, and this is a simple web dashboard. So we will run this app.py. Okay, so for run this code, we need to open the terminal here, and of course you have to install the credential, this one. So if you need some library, Python library to run this code, like Flask, Socket.io and PAHO MQTT library. So this one is the command. So if you run this command, then it will install all the library. I already run all this library, so already installed in my devices, so I can run the Python code. Okay, so this is the Python code, and you can see our server is running on this URL, and you can see it is received a JSON file. Okay, so data. So let's open this. Okay, so this is our dashboard, and you can see we can get the live dash temperature, the 13.7. This is a temperature chart, this is the temperature chart, and this is the humidity 69%, and this is the LoRa signal. This is the signal right now. This is very good, and we have the device status, online, and last updated data. This is so in this is basic dashboard, and we are not adding the database yet. So in the next episode I will add the database so we can store our live data. Also we will add some button here to control some of our relay or light or something. We can control it, the control devices. So if I open the gateway code, you can see this is the gateway code, and from field it is publishing 13.8, this is 13.8, and R is the minus 48, this is the 48, this is the 48. So exactly works like same. Okay, so almost done. We are successfully create a LoRa gateway and a LoRa sensor node and a public dashboard. Okay, so you can use it in your project. So I hope you will like it, and if you like it, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.